Today, I'm recreating AI food for dinner. I asked AI to generate me dinner and dessert, and I'm gonna recreate it. For dinner, it generated me this burger. And for dessert, whatever the heck this is. This is basically just a comically large burger, so I'm gonna be using an entire pound of ground beef. Don't worry, we're eating the entire thing tonight for dinner, so nothing is going to waste. I seasoned my 1-pound burger patty with salt and pepper, and tried my best to shape it into a large, evenly flat burger patty. And onto my hot cast iron it goes. I'm topping the burger with 3 pieces of Gouda cheese, and then toasting my large bun in the burger fat to get it nice and crispy. We're using a large bread round, which turned out to be the perfect bun for a burger of this size. Now to assemble the burger. I'm using Thousand Island dressing for the buns, placing the 1-pound burger patty down first, topping that with our bacon, then a nice big handful of our grilled onions. Lastly, I'll be topping this with 3 fried eggs. And there you have it, the ye old burger, with a medieval sword and chalice, just like the photo. I think I nailed it, but how does it taste? Cutting into this monstrosity was very satisfying. Just look at that beautiful egg yolk run. This cross section is insane. Layers of beef, cheese, onions, bacon, and that golden yolk running right through the center. This turned out absolutely delicious. All the flavors work very well together, and I don't think we'll be going hungry tonight. The burger turned out great, but I'm not too sure how dessert's gonna come out. This one is way more chaotic, so I'm gonna let my wife assemble this one. She's using a chocolate cake to make a volcano, and then filling our glass orb with crushed Oreos for dirt. She's making a blue river with sour jello, and tossing in some gushers for colorful rocks or something. Adding a few chocolate mushrooms for some fine details, and in goes our volcano, topped with red 40 and cherries for that beautiful lava flow. And she's attempting to make these little trees out of pretzels and cotton candy. I don't think they really worked out the way we thought it would, but it's coming along nicely. Toss in a Swedish fish, and I think she nailed it. Comment down below if you think Savannah did a great job. This is way more candy and sweets than we ever consume. I don't think we're gonna be feeling too great tomorrow after all this, but I think it came out pretty good. I'll be honest, after eating that entire burger for dinner, I'm not that hungry, but I am excited to try this, and it tastes very unhealthy. I'm gonna go lay down now. I hope you enjoyed the video.